Hello everyone! Today we're going to explain to you how to make these cool clocks. And we will give you tips and tricks to teach your kids how to tell time. Today we explain how to teach the time with a Gato rainbow and a Gata moon. First we're going to make the big clock. For it we'll need a construction paper or cardboard. I'm using a cereal box as usual, scissors, glue, a fastener, which is hard to see but is right there, and these templates that we made. You can find them on our website and also on our TPT store. As you can see, in one of the clocks we have the hours and on the other the minutes. Let's glue the minute one to a cardboard. And we cut it. If you look closely, the edge of this clock is yellow, like the hand that will point to the minutes, the one with Gato rainbow. Here they are. The yellow hand is for the minutes, and the purple one is for the hours. We glue them on a cardboard as well. And cut them. And you know that if you're not subscribed yet, you have to. We upload a new video every week in Spanish and in English. And now that our clock hands are ready, we will laminate them with a minute clock. And we cut it again. And the clock hands too. This way the material will last way longer. And now we're going to cut the clock with the hours. And as I said before, the edge is purple like Gato moon's clock hand. And now we cut along the dotted line in between all the numbers. And now on the minute clock we marked where the glue should go, and it's just on the inside circle. And we glue the hour clock on top of it. And we leave a like on this video, of course. And as you can see, now we can lift each paper and see the minutes corresponding to each of them. Let's make the hole in the middle. And make sure that our fastener fits in it. I also made holes on the clock hands and put them like this. And as you can see, you can easily move them around. Gato rainbow's clock hand matches the color of the edge in the minute clock. Learn how to tell time is usually a long process and we should have lots of patience, but we're going to give you some tips. It's important to start teaching the o'clock times first. Then we can teach half past, quarter past, and once that is under control, you can explain to them all the minutes. As I said, this is a process that requires time, and these kinds of games help a lot. We prepared this card so you can download too, so they can copy the time say how it's written and how would that time be in a digital clock. can also play giving them a time on the clock and asking them to find the correct one among the cards. Or for example, giving them the minute card with the time and asking them to put it on the clock. As you can see, these activities are a little bit more complicated, so we should have patience. We can start teaching how to tell time when they're around 5 years old, only if they're ready for it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And now we'll make this funny watch, which your kids are going to love. We'll need a piece of foam sheet, some stickers if you have them to decorate, a fastener, a piece of cardboard, a marker, 2 little pieces of paper, yellow and purple, a glue gun, and scissors. We'll make sure that the foam sheet covers our whole wrist. And now the spot is optional, you can just glue it, but I decided to sew a bottom so I can open it and close it. And now we make a circle on our cardboard and we make the numbers like a clock. And we cut it. Now we're going to measure the little papers to make the clock hands. The purple one is shorter and is the one that will tell us the hours. And the yellow one is longer and it will tell us the minutes. We laminate it, and when we have it we will make a small hole in the center. And we'll glue it in the piece of foam that we prepared earlier. And now we make the hole again so it goes through the foam. Now you can leave this part bare or cover it. And as you can see, the clock hands can move. I'm sure they will love this craft so much, it's so funny. You can decorate it as you want. And now it's ready, we can start playing. You can also use the cards that I showed you earlier and make the same games. Here I'm copying the time shown on the cards. What do you think of this activity? Being able to understand and know how to tell time helps them feel more independent, because they can anticipate what comes next without having to ask us all the time. And we have already told you about our website, but we have lots of resources that you can download from there. Go check it out, because I'm sure you'll find some that you will like. We'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!